All right, so let's get started. So the first step that we will do is doing a restore point. And the reason why we will do a restore point is along the video, you might accidentally corrupt a couple of files or mess up or whatever. So we will keep the restore point as a respawn. Pretty much we can consider it as like a respawn that we can always go back to, like a checkpoint almost. Okay, so let's get started. So we will go and search for restore point, and you will see it says create a restore point. Just click on it. Okay, local disk, first one for you, it should be off if you haven't done this before. Just press configure, um, press turn on system protection, apply. Okay, and then you just do create. You write the name of the restore point that you want, and you do it. As you can see, I already have one. Let me try to show you. Let's write this one. All right, now let's get started downloading the links that we will need for this customization. Vinstar is a website that offers many themes for Windows, and I really like the themes that they have. All right, so you'll just come here, press themes, depending on what version of Windows you have. I have Windows 11, so I'll click on it. There are many themes, so you should definitely find something that you like. All right, I already have picked mine. I like this black theme. But the thing that I don't like about it is that the folders, as you can see, the folder icons are colorful. And I think a black theme should just be black and white or black and gray or whatever, just not too much color in it. So you will come here in case you like a part and you dislike a part. You go to icons, 7TSP icons, and then you can pick from the icons that they offer. These icons are just for the folders, as you can see if I click on it. I picked this one for my folders because there's like many options, many colors. As you can see, I picked the black one. I really like it. There's also another one that I like, but I think I will stay with this one. All the links will be in the description, as I said, in case I can. So, because I think YouTube has like protection against a YouTuber posting links in their description if they're under 1,000 subscribers. So I'll see. If it's not in the description, then please just check the comment section. After you end up picking the theme that you like, just scroll down, click download, click this, start, and you just wait for it to finish. After it finishes, it should say scan, and it should give you the option to download. After you click download, that download will start. As you can see, I already have it downloaded, so I'll just stop it. And I just wanted to give you a quick heads up before we continue on the video. So when I scroll down here to see what it is included in the theme, depending on what theme you will have, it will be different for you. As you can see, there are many stuff included in this theme. But when I go to this other theme to look at it, just 6 files. Each theme will have different amount of customization in it. Some will have more, some will have less, depending on the theme that you'll end up picking. So please, if along the video, you notice something missing while I'm doing something and like you're looking for that exact folder and you don't find it, it's probably because either your theme doesn't have it or your theme has it named differently. So please just look along the files and just search for it. All right, now the next thing we will be downloading is optional depending on if it's something that you would like or not. All right, this is a theme for your files to make the background of it clear. As you can see here, I'll show you. I don't know if you can see it because the background is already black, so it looks kind of black. But as you can see, when I move it around, you can see the background of the browser I'm using. Um, if you're going for any dark colors and you download this, it will make it lighter. So if you're going for something just straight up black, I do not recommend you download it. But if you would like that, just go on releases right here, press on it. Scroll down, release x64.zip, just click on it, and the download should start. Now, this tool is for the taskbar. To customize it, just press download. All right, and it downloads. Then, next tool that we will be downloading is called 7TSP GUI 2019 edition. All right, this is the tool that we will be using to customize our files and folders. As you can see when you scroll down to see, this is how the control panel will look like depending on what theme you download. They're just showing for the theme that they have picked. You just sign up or log in depending on if you have an account. Press on it. It should take you to the login if you're not logged in. Make an account and then go back here and just press download. Next tool is old new. Scrolling down, the download link is right here. It might look like something that you wouldn't be interested in, but I really recommend you download this. It's really something nice when you mix it with stuff we have downloaded before. So just click download, and your download should start. Just click here, and the download should start. And finally, the win step for the added taskbar. Not all themes will have this included, like a theme for it. It downloads usually, and I think if I scroll down, it will download something like this or this. Some of the themes offer a theme for it to make it more customized to match everything. Some don't, but don't worry, even if yours doesn't have it, we can customize it our own, and I will show you how. Just click download, and it should download by itself. I already have it downloaded, so I will stop it. All right, now we have everything downloaded. Let's get started. Okay, now let's start downloading. First, we will start with the Ultra UX theme patcher. Double click on it. Click yes. Next. I accept. Next. Don't worry, I checked the license and everything to make sure it's safe. All right, if it says for you patched, that means you already have it downloaded, but since I don't have it downloaded right now, so let's start. Install. Next. Next. It just offers you if you want to help them out. And you can reboot now or reboot later. I will choose later, just reboot at the end. Now, what we will do is we will go to the theme that we have picked, that we have downloaded also. Now, we start with extracting the file of the theme. Just to extract all. Extract. And when it finishes, I'll be right back. After you end up extracting the file, just double click on it. Double click again. You should see something like this. As I said, depending on the theme you pick, it will be different. We will go to Windows theme, double click on it. You should see many options, also depending on what you have. Select it all, copy, go to this PC, go to local disk, go to Windows, go to resources, themes, and just paste the theme that you have here. To use the themes we have just downloaded for our Windows, just right click here, press personalize, go to themes, and you should see way more options. For you, it might be like mine, they don't have an icon, so you just have to select between them. But if you hover over it, it should give you a name. So you just select the one that you like the most. But we'll change for you, I should say this to notice it more. When you open the files, look for these things up here. All right. So these should change. Do you see? Look between those, and the background for your files should look different. All right. So I'll pick mine, and I'll be right back. All right. After you pick your theme, you will notice that the background has changed. Depending on what theme you pick, the icons will change. I like this one the most. It looks really cool, the way it forms into the symbol. And yeah, now we will continue, and we will start with the taskbar. Double click on Start All Back, install for everyone. Click yes. It should open something like this for you. All right, now from now on with the taskbar, it's all preferences depending on what you want it to look like. I'm gonna pick what I want it to look like, and of course, if you don't like it, you can change it. We will start with advanced. We will click on this and this, both, select both. I want the taskbar to be clear, so I'll click clear, and I will make it 0%, so it's invisible. And for the start menu, when you click the start menu, as you can see, it changed. And I think, because I'm going for a black theme, I'll want it to be black. I will click on here, make sure it's black, make everything 0, just in case. Okay, take it all the way. And now, as you can see, it's black. All right, and now let's continue. All right, now I think these are the best settings for this part. I'll show you how it looks like. As you can see, it looks really clean, it looks really nice. You can always just mess around with these settings and try if you like something else. Now let's start with tray icons. In this part, I think just it being left as it is the best. I just deselect from these because I don't like there being that many icons. The theme we picked, double click, and you should see a file named Start All Back. It might be named different for you. It might be named Orbs, Styles. Just see what it's named for you. Double click on it. Okay, go to Orbs, select this, go to local disk, go to program files, search for start all back, double click, and put these in the orbs. All right, I already have them here, so just put them back again. Now go back to downloads, go to tools, go back to the themes folder that you have, go back, go to styles now, select this, go back to local disk, go back to program files, go back here, styles, and just paste it here. All right, now you just want to close this, reopen it, press here, properties, and now you should notice more icons for you. All right, I'll click this one because I really like it. And now you have added visual styles. As you can see, I have this black SAB. You can see that it changes when you hover over icons and other stuff. Look, this is the normal one. This is the one that is for my files. I don't really like it that much, but it's fine. I'll mess around with it. Now, for the tweak behavior, depending on where you want your taskbar to be, I personally either like it at the bottom or top, but I think I want a new look, so I'll put it at the right. All right, and I think personally the thing that you should always pick is center task icons and separate them to separate the start and the search from the other icons. And I think for me personally, I like the taskbar to hide itself, unless I don't want it to always be there unless I want to use it. Okay. And yeah, this is all preferences. You can make the icons bigger. I think it's better to be medium sized. And yeah, then we go to start menu. Start menu is this. Also, when you pick the styles, you will get an added style menu depending on the theme, as you can see. And you can pick how many icons you want in the start menu, either more or less. The icon size for it, small, medium, large. It's all preferences, so please pick what you think is best for you. And then let's move to the next step. Now, let's go to the 7TSB GUI, extract all. After it finishes, just to replace in this destination, because I think I already have it extracted somewhere else, double click. And you should notice a file that ends with .ee, just rename it. All right, rename. And put an X between the two E's. Press yes. Now double click. Press yes again. Press yes. Close out of this. All right. Now we will customize the icons for the files. The ones that are here, the folders, and just everything in general related to the file icons will be changed. Just go to the file that you wanted, that you picked for the file icons. It should say 7TSP icons when you in it. Press it and just rename and remove the remove part. Press enter. And that's it. Now we go back. We add custom pack. I'll go to the tools. I'll go to here, the 7TSP icons, and you should find it. After you pick the 7TSP file that you want as your icons, it should give you this pop-up. Press yes. Then start patching. Press yes. Right. After the reboot finishes, you should get an alert like this. Just press OK. And then we can now see how our files look like. As you can see, the icons have changed completely. Almost everything has completely changed. Even when we go to the control panel, we can see that it has fully changed. Now, let's start with the old new. You should have a file from the files we downloaded called oldnew.rar. Just double click on it. Use WinRAR once. Alright, now, just close this. I'm gonna extend to see the file. There should be a .exe file. Just double click on it. Now I recommend, for my preferences, the first 4 settings. Okay, and now these 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Install. Now you can close it. Now for the users that want to use the release x64 to make their background blurry, I will teach you how to do it. Go to the release x64.zip, extract all. I won't go through everything because I don't want to make my files blurry, but I'll just show you how to do it. You go to release, you go to register.cmd, double click on it, press yes, it should work. Then you go to config.ini, sorry. When you double click on it, you have these options if you have light windows or dark windows. I recommend you keep all these true if you want to have the full blurry experience. The effect you can see on the GitHub when you open it to download, it shows you everything from from 0 to 4, sorry. And the A is just on how blurry you want it to be. 0 being fully blurry, and anything above 400 is just straight up a color that you pick. All right. Now, the final step that we have for the added taskbar, and of course, at the end, I will show you how to customize your normal taskbar to have custom icons. But now let's do the nexus.zip. Okay, extract all. Okay. Where is it? Nexus. Go to nexus setup.exe, double click on it. Press yes. Press OK. I accept the agreement. All right. Don't worry, I checked the agreements for everything to make sure everything is legit and nothing's fake. I check. Next. Press yes. Next. Install. Finish. And now when it finishes, you should go back to your desktop and notice the difference. As you can see, you have this now. I don't know what to call it. I call it just an added taskbar because it is really a normal taskbar. You can put it wherever you want, to the side, but after you place your added taskbar where you want to place it, quick heads up for Nexus themes. Not all themes you find from Vinstar will have specific folders to customize this to match everything else. But if you go to appearance, effect, themes, and sounds, you can make it match. There's also here the option to get more themes. As you can see, there's a black one. There's many options. Okay. And when you go to more themes, get more themes. You have this. It's a page. You can find some more themes if you didn't find what you like here. But in case you can't find a theme, but you want to customize this because you like it, you can just come here, right click, insert new doc item, name it whatever you want, find item. I'll just go to my desktop and do an extension for Nexus. All right, change icon, browse, go to the folder that you picked. You can find images online if you want to. I'll show you by doing it by an image. Whatever just this is, I don't know. You press OK, and there it is. Okay. And you can remove it also. If you don't want all of these, you can remove them. You can just come here and remove from doc. All right. In case your theme did have a doc, so what you will do is you will just open your files. All right. I'll just do it with the one that I have. It's called Night Doc Icons W7S. I'll put it in the comment section or description. I'll see. All right. Then it should have a .wpk, but you will take the Night Doc or whatever it's called for you. You go to local disk and you just paste it here. All right. Then you go to Nexus settings. You go to advanced, restore, downloads, Night Doc. All right. Then just open. All right. And now, as you can see, it's been customized to match everything almost. Now what's left is just to customize the actual taskbar to match everything else. All right. So to customize the icons, I'll also do it for the taskbar down here because I didn't really like how it looked like. Go in here, go in your start menu, search for the application you need. Just do Google Chrome. You just drag and drop. All right. And you come here, right click, properties, change icon, browse. You go to the files that you have and look for the application that you need. I'll do Google Chrome. Okay. Apply. Okay. All right. After you do that, just do, if you have it pinned, unpin it and then pin it again. Pin to taskbar. And as you can see, there it is. Done. Now we will do it for the rest and I'll be right back. All right, as you can see, everything's done. I finished. I think this is better. I really don't want to add more. Everything works. As you can see, even if you open it, the icons stay the same. The start menu, the control panel. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah.